and being in education sector hati tukatine kuba turonda abashija abatabo baturonzire tukatine kuba tukora ki ntubaronda. So Katerera County Education Forum we have tried to mobilize all stakeholders on board kugira ngo tubase kwatanisa ninga tubase korra hamwe mu kwasa kutungura ikitongore na Narubirizi district kwataniriza hamwe. Our education forum twinema activities tukora izibaze kutwisa aharengo n'urumoro kandi kutukugendera kimwe nakwereza aho background yacu ninga vision. Vision is equipping the youth with spiritual, moral and practical skills for a brighter future, shaping them into exemplary role models. Like I've said, nk'iki tongore cya Katerera County Education Forum twehireyo kubasagambira skilling Uganda because it's the way to go.
When wagamba skilling Uganda ni mbesi ngo mbiye mikono ningana na mashomero ga primary secondary gona mukatwarira
actually niza chikaho but naliyo ni kwereka kurugira mission.
Yes.
I mean vision. So then mission is equipping the youth for sustainable community development. Then our motto is transforming communities through education. So kubona kama tena ambassador wa skilling Uganda, I'm doing civil engineering at Uganda Technical College Bishagikire Kahaya. I did a certificate first. So kuna ajimazire nabanza kuza community tena ndaza kambara kuzakora sente because ekina yabimazire kushoma kandi bajancyendeze batahi banje because I thought that it was very good and nice.
Yes.
So nazo mu community mborezinga abantu ningasi abazire na naba namazisinya yafuna nga P7 n'abatashomere kugira ngo basakoze umurombi mukondo. So finally nota bituletera Katerera County Education Forum kugira ngo tongere kuzo mu community tumubarengire ki education. So hada cyo wangambera icyo banumbuza nga Katerera County Education Forum we even work with all schools.
Amashomero
gona even the universities. Yes, even the universities. But for primary schools for now tubahereze Eby'Obwegyese bya P7.
Nimo mukubikore bya P7.
Now tena gambiro kacha objectives bitu. One of our core objective is partnership and collaboration. Like for example we are here. It is not we can't take this for granted for Tayari TV to give us such a platform.
Yes.
So this means that we need to have that partnership remain. So it is one of our core objectives. Now to have partnerships. Now kisha tufunaho STEM examinations board. If you have ever heard about it.
Yes.
STEM examinations board we were lucky kugira ngo director wayo na Rugarbirizi. So in education forum kamwengejinga twamuronda nawe katwine kitongore kitina kiti kano setting Eby'Obwegyese ngo rwihanga kandi orienzarwa ningasore stakeholder wa Rubirizi Katerera to kubasa kutwatiramu tukabasa kwereza abane Eby'Obwegyese. Now what he said I have granted your request but niza kwanza mere stage kumuraji managing ati I will see what to do next.
When bakajibahereza mwaji managing aje ya kwatira mu kiti.
So for example tukakoresa pre-mock last year customer sabana 10
mu district ya Rubirizi yo
Katerera
tayari naenda kumanya ninga na district eziri hihi na Rubirizi.
Eby'Obwegyese bya Katerera County Education Forum nebabrandingira kitongore bitabrandingira system. And in fact we cannot even take this for granted. Akatwereza pre-mock customer bana 10 last year bakora pre-mock standard paper pages 12. Yasaba yatwereza twaje managing aje because what we did tukareta abashomesa tukabikora akabitwereza yajata now the next exercise is yours. Tukateka muka million nkina kubasa kureta abashomesa kuchevera kusupervisinga kugradinga kuanalyzinga no kusoza results. And we were lucky to have the district senior district inspector of schools kubasa kuroya yaba section Eby'Obwegyese byitu. So kutakoze Eby'Obwegyese ebyo yaratwabikoraje perfectly. So that now next time mutebekanise for pre-period because akareba mutu participating aje yasa there is a pre-period the same number of candidates. For now I think last week tumaziye kuri Eby'Obwegyese bya Katerera County Education Forum P7 pre-registration.
Registration.
That paper is always standard.
Yes, Omwami Sabiti. Omwami Sabiti. Olukuza kujoininga ekitongole ekininga Katerera County Education Forum. Okaji joininga kugira ngu iwe yongereho kininga ekiwabi olukugenderera niki.
Awe baro mutebekanisa wa program weji Madam Shiba. Kubasa kuthostinga ahamara muko.
Yes.
Munchirize mbamanyise ngo nyowenga inspector of schools itemba twita quality assurance ensuring quality on bintu byone biri gukorwa icyo kurebera onke bigeze bagambira abantu bakora nturebe kandi twabikozesa twabyanalizinga twabishoboza kandi twayamba amashanyarazi kubagakoze kubi so nyo mu kitongore kiniza mu ka technical advisor
no jaka technical advisor okugira kore muta kore muti
education
okay
kanu kuyagambira icyo Katerera county kaba twinicize cyabo munonga na munonga mu performance y'amashanyarazi kitu kurga twatunga Katerera education forum tubasifite kanisa bashomesa kandi ntugumizamo nangwa twine no mukoro muhango munonga rugoma ayo bitano wakana nangwa twito ijo bizemo
aho mukoro niza kuba ngo konka kuyano joining G4 noreba ngo hariho mpindukiwe nka inspector of schools ntati abana ba Katerera babire batakora jo mbigezo byabo konka ukuyandutandika ko inspectinga na ba teachers hariho mpinduka hinduka ntati ni bakora nje
echo kubanza amashomero bitugagaga tene gakora kubi abaro involvement of stakeholders
okay
nakicira munonga abanyamadini political leaders communities zikaba zitari involved mu mashomero zikaba ziri hare muka kutwatangira education forum we brought them on board tubeto mu nchiko tubashomesa tubashomese mu bashomero bana bakora no kuba kwasa kutongora amashomero gabo ndamunaza I speak ijo tubeto inaho rukiko tukanalizinga amashomero gabo gukora kandi twagarize bigezo bwa collecting data kuri bishi twabonza kongera gukora amashomero gakoraje kana performance
yazahi aharengwa higuru mwe bari mnonga hati twagaruko wa CEO CEO kitongore kwiyano kitandika no reba ngo abantu ba Katerera hinde kibafunire mu muri ece kitongore kiwe owafunire vision okajoti kantandike ko Katerera County Education Forum ebase kuyamba abantu noreba ngo hariho ebyokozire ninga achievements zo yinde kuyanotandika ece kitongore
we bari amutekateki kandi ahabo kumaze kibuzo kirunjeki
yes
as per the accountability for now nke kitongore kuko nagambira nti gizo kugambira engine education especially on skills for development so far tinama nabakurinka 80 abitaro binjire bursaries
okay and half bursary ninga na every food bursary
one twine Hope Rain Vocational Institute Katerera full bursary for every year twine Munyarugu development college netereza nayo Katerera full bursaries 2 then Crane yashatereza bursaries 20%. Then twine Rugando Vocational Institute. Now what we do with these institutions niteza tugambana na stakeholders kujangu we are doing this in the community tujya kuengage eminyeto abazire kubasa kozo mu skilling Uganda mbwenu Katerera County Education Forum omwana utura recommending tukamtero stamp a recommendation nimuza kumshara series nga school fees
nimuza kumuyaoza
yes because you see sometimes yari gishomero umuzena ikari teacher mjati ngo muzira jati head teacher tumshara fees so itonge kitongore cha Katerera County Education Forum Durangu twakora ogumwuga kubasa kuyamba muziri hata kabasa kwicara kabasa kumure
ukabasa kumuhikira
kamuro binjira
hati omurebi watayareze shahoro arikwenda kumanya nebice bimukuronda mu ogwo mwana wo mukuhabasari ni mugendera ntato kuno wari kora jo mu kirasi ni mugendera ndo muzire yatwikira twagira kutwashita mu office twatisa nice kimukonsideringa ninga shi ebimuku omuri kwihamu kugira ngo ubu twatwara
we barumuteka issues to do with skilling Uganda
yes
oboshomere obatashomere you can do you can study even tura journalist no hasa kushomatera ngo botari hanuya ozahari yacara no tunge kuti so you see kugira ngo with iskilling Uganda ninga program eje turumu tukwisipace kugira ngo manyo bo kireje obo manyo kozereki no kurangura umuti abasokuzume bye mikono. Then ekindi ekiwambuza kugira ngo Katerera County Education bachi twakozereho we have done career guidance and counseling in schools. Career guidance and counseling ngo mashomerejo ago program ejo ebaze kutuyamba kubasa kwengejinga abana bitu omukubasa kumanya nyensa yabo ne turankahi omwana ko muteko mu career guidance and counseling hat afuna light ninga afuna akore kito kweta ngoni informed decision abasa kumanya echakwasa kuza kushoma nchakare kandi cyabasa kumukore cyo mugasho ekindi nke kitongore agereza gukora community meetings kubasa kwengejinga villages abazire kubashanga mu communities zabo kubasa kubashomesa ahakarungi ko kubasa kushomesa umwana wawe nyincakare ecyara base kubera because omushawo makagira ati education that was president of South Africa yanje bamukaki but akagamba education wajat obwegyese so ombugufu obwegyese nico kikwatu ico kubasa kwereza umwana wawe kabasa kumugasira nyensi then ekindi kashitongore we have tried to bring education stakeholders on board, especially ntukira gukora community meetings with these head teachers and teachers kugira ngo tubarete external facilitators even and internal facilitators babase kubagaidinga uko bakubasa kongera kurangwa basa managing amashomero gabo uko bakubasa kufuna skills on managing amashomero in line with education. Then kachitongore ko yagamba mukamanje inspector Katerera County Education Forum tukaja nguno twakorwe tuka launching nga tuka launching Katerera County Annual Education Day. Ubwo mukoro tugweneho ebiro bitano
mwenu buri mwaka ni wamwine hugo mukoro
every year. It is going to be the 4th.
Ni muguhagurinkahe omurubirizi Katerera
tuba tugire muri Katerera County. I said because of limited resources tuchakorera umusaza. So ubwo mukoro Eby'Obwegyese, for example, we shall have all candidates from P7, senior 4 and senior 6 and university students.
Hati muryogo mukoro ni mwana mwegesa ki abana abari kuza kwijo muryogo mukoro ningashi abanda bakuza kwije.
Webari like the topic, I mean the theme of that function is the role of stakeholders in education enhancement. So when we talk of education stakeholders, harimo mweji, harimo muzire, harimo teacher, harimo director, harimo religious leaders. Yes, harimo everybody has become an education stakeholder. And on that function, our chief guest is Dr. Andrew Ainomugisha, PhD, Vice Chancellor and Western University. And we also have Father Dido, Gavas Sekanimanya, uganewa kura education omurimbara diocese. Yes. We have more speakers abarabase kubana batugambirira aha mukoro ngogo ngogo. So all candidates, all teachers, chairman PTA, political leaders, religious leaders will be there.
Mwenu twaza kureba omurubirizi nka district ntureba mwine mu counties ibiri hari mu Katerera hari mu Bunyaruguru ababunyaruguru botine ko kumukubateka oninga shibote mu bakwasera.
Thank you for the question.
Yes.
Nanagambira nti we are trying to enhance or harness partnerships and collaboration. As of now, tuchine limited resources, but as Bunyaruguru County, we are seeing or we are trying to see. Tunataka kureba tukabasa kuranga tutabasa kujengejenga tuta. Na yuko basa kuzone board because we are in the same district. And on top of that, of course, I think Bunyaruguru County we lobbied what we call Uganda Mathematical Contest as the organization through Dr. Annette. Is a lecturer, senior lecturer of mathematics at Bustema University, and is the advisor for our organization. So to be engaging abashaba ryokwe hati no banje kuturobinga kutconnectinga. So she connected us into Uganda Mathematical Contest. So echo wanongozanka Bunyaruguru, they will benefit on the Uganda Mathematical Contest. Yes.
So ni muza kwikiriza kugira ngo ababunyaruguru nabo bejumbe mu kibe cha district
they will have to participate. And even have them on program as per exams soon. Yes.
Mbwenu inspector twagaruka wawe mwami Sabiti. Ahariyaji organization umuzire uryokwe ni mudiringa no muzire ninga mashomero gonka.
Ite program ite itwine. Of course, as a program, it has very many projects.
Okay.
And of course, a project is a solution to the problems of the community.
Yes.
And of course, education by definition is the process by which societies deliberately transmit their accumulated skills, knowledge, attitude, competences, behavior across generations. So itwe tubasize kutandika program eji.
Okay.
Konka twine projects ngeze tukuza kukosa kuranguza yambo umuntu wishaza rya Katerera nangwa na district yitu ya Rubirizi. Omuryezo one of the projects we are undertaking twine project ebar kwita career guidance, career orientation and career development. Turebe kangu omuntu wa Katerera hari yamanyo kwashemeye kushomesa umwana we icyashemeye kuba namushomesa kana yashoma naza kubaki kana aza kuyamba cyo mwanya gusonchira kubuza abantu wabo from the committee where you come from, are you an asset or a liability? So to increasing assets
muri Katerera liabilities zibenche assets
exactly
hati ni mu educating ana naba baziro tarashomere kugira
ngo baziro tarashomere twineho seminars twineho training workshops and with other bashomesa tubegesa okuba kubasa ko running a business more especially local businesses.
Hati twaza utaka humwire mukache na ninyenda kumanya muryeje project ya ningashi forum yimwe atandikireho hinebizibu ebimuri kuraba mukimwe nka forum.
Of course ebizibu ni byinji munonga ekizibu cyo kubanza tuyine problem ya implementing agents. Much as ito turi authoritating agents itwenteka hebi twenda gukora konka bakubimplementing abakira bake
munonga
abana no babitera ahubwo politics bateka ngo forum political eriyo neza korondo buruguru. Then ndiyo tugira mu kiba kweta ekizibu cy'amadini umuntu akeranze ngo nosheje project ne y'abakristayo no abakristo kamutatekamo then tugaraka tugira problem
hati kecho mpo washanga no spreading kugira ngo umuntu amanye ntegiti y'abakristayo kusha na n'abakristo hine ko kumukukora kugira ngo mugire ngo amadini tukashoshoro mu dini
mbene hati ito kituru gukora selecting and wala tunijwa kweta primary stakeholders na secondary stakeholders to make gasho ngo primary stakeholders edin zona zero the direct beneficiaries hati nora kurugiro ko wara facilitators za mukorobu twine mu bafaza twine mu abakristayo ba reverend ba archdeacons twine mu bayimama abasalamu twine mu head teachers on board, so everybody is brought on board.
Uyo wena no kwereka nti
kureba ngo twareta
tukayahura
harmonious situation.
Mbwenu twaza kuzomuka humuro kace kandi kuturagaruke tukine abagenyi bitu omwami Sabiteri kandi na mushemeza genius bakutwoyongera yo mishe buzo bicyari bingi okugira ngo tumanye okuba kuza kutwara Eby'Obwegyese Rubirizi district ahamo tindogwa higuru kandi twandishaba ngo takakwata remote yawe katuzomuka humuro kace kandi tugaruke.
Otaferwa aha tayari West.
Don't be a cocoa, don't be a cocoa, don't be a cocoa. imperfections and hello to a new world of wonders. Wonders, always wonderful.
atumwa w'abashubuzi wabare kuguma orinityo kandi kurwo butwatandika ahari shayishatu mpaka nareze shaha tukine abagenyi bitu kandi okurugo muri Rubirizi district bakutugambira ahamuramwa gwitu ogwo kugira nti Eby'Obwegyese nibiyambaho biteya muri Rubirizi kugira ngo byarete nkurakurana tukine umwami Sabiteri Sam na Mushemeza Genius kandi ogwo ni CEO wa Kasfa ninga Katerera County Education Forum hati twatuchirya bizibu ebizibu mukufuna muryeji forum nibizibu cyo bimwafunire ebimukwegira hate
the major challenge kutunga nka forum chine problem ya low funding.
Okay,
activities nizo estemeye kuba tukora twino kushomesa abashomesa twino kuteka workshops z'abazire all stakeholders twino kukora imikoro nkeji konka tukine esente nche munongo ziturukosa mwe tukabe ntushaba baturikize abariyahora bariyomba tureba abantu mu rugo yo support Katerera Education Forum na kuchira munonga NGOs other stakeholders of education omuyanga ryona abantu mu mutwere tubase kuyamba abantu bakatera endijo problem yitwine problem ya domestic violence.
Okay,
ntutandikaho ushanga twine nkamemba witukiza kura turangwa kanga nango bakamutera uyakererwa mu nkiko wogire gambiro yesimbere ushanga enta obutaba nkomaka bwayijura
mbwenu violence eri kwijo maka kugira nti bamemba banyu abaforum bijareti meetings za genda mpaka obwire busire nico kikureta ko violence ninga naho mukutoro mu mashomero abumukuyamba ebyo nayo numufushanga
ati no manya Madam Sheba wabiro president wa Uganda waimbetanya murungi Milton Obote.
Okay,
akagira ngo abazigu benseje nabashaka umuzigo wo kubanza akagira ngo no bworo umuntu ko rukumweto mu education forum ko meeting nana expecting esente kwa kurga yatazine iba mutera umuzigo wa kabiri no butamanya nako information cyo turi Katerera Education Forum then umuzigo wa kashatu akajya mu ndwara so mu kuteka project eje ntuteka ngo ebizibe bimwe ebitiyo ntugamba nko bworo obutamanya indwara cyo kure umuntu yamara kushoma nayiza kutunga skills ajoining ekiwa kweta money economy.
Yes,
takwiza kubora sente akuba ine skills already
skill
competencies.
Yes,
aine behavior na wa muhomurumo tubaru kumubinga nayiza gukora so nibyo bizibe biturukoranza muno kandi kine problem endijo.
Yes,
kine poor role models kutukuba ntukore bintu ebi abantu nabambenda kugira icyo bareberaho then twine poor leadership in schools. No juro tatu ateke education fund
wagamba poor leadership in schools no gamba ba director na ba headmaster ninga
in some schools not all of them abakupinga activities za forum agamwe
bagira forum
ochibeto tatu ina nko mushomo go kushomesa abazira to no you are wasting our time for us. We want to deal with academic
na kucenga
hati kituretera forum ya tambara kubi. Then twine problem ya security and safety of learners. Some of our schools amashomero tigine gate tigine fence no tukizo gukora ibintu boshanga ngo mwana wo gwici akine problem zina munonga amashomero agenda gatandaka
hati twagaruko uwo mwami CEO.
Yes,
CEO nareba mwagamba aha kizibu cha funding. Funding burijo muturene mukikora muta kushanga nti foundation iriyo negendo umisho.
Okay, babare. As usual, ishitongere kuza kubaho cyakine membership.
Yes.
Na subscription. Kubasa kwika aha leverage membership na subscription base kutuyamba. Then ekindi nkubona nagamenti tukorese bigezo like kutoresere primoka because ndagira ngo ekitongole kya Katerera County Education Forum na projects zacho buri umwe as owning every stakeholder.
Okay.
As owning. Now what we do, like kutarese Eby'Obwegyese ebyo twamobilizing tukafuna miliyoni 4.
Mwarete Eby'Obwegyese.
Yes, from
miliyoni 4 z'umukwayihira muku
from well wishers.
Yes.
Because all Katerera Eby'Obwegyese. Now twagira now let us all come on board. Tukwenda kugira ngo political because it is not political. Our organization is not political. So kugira ngo tutachikora political mutakaja kiri politics tukachikora open. Eby'Obwegyese twabifuna ntutaga miliyoni 4 kubasa kukoresa. Byo nabubwire because twareta abashomesha 9 twakoresa ikikweta ngo chain marking. Bachebera kukora magambo chebera inebo. Now like for chinde chwa hariyecho on top of your question. At Omugomborora Katerera County Annual Education Day. It is being ningas abantu bariyomba gutwererera.
Bariyo bagutwere hati CEO nkomurebe wa tayari wakubariyokwe ezeshaha ari kureba program ari kugira ati aba bantu nkabire nyenda kugira ngo hagire kinayambaho ningashe mu kintu cya fani ko kumwagira ngo kibateganisa munonga ari kwenda kugira ngo hagire ko yakwatagana amanye niki ekikwetagisa ningashe nabasa korata kugira ngo yakwatagana nimwe.
Okay, babaragwa akibuzo kirunje echo. I think I can give the number.
Okay. Ejo noza kugituhereza tuija ahamwe.
Okay, bebare.
Konka kwenu ahari kubafunira na hanamba.
Yes.
Namba yes.
We even have email address. We even on Twitter.
Okay.
We on Facebook. Like mkeje mukori tukubantu tukora. Ntubatu in media. Tuna coverage yone yakorwa. Yaza nkahi yaza ashwando zito
kugira ngo barebe kimukora
for accountability and transparency and even difference because mtana kubuza what have you done.
Yes.
Atum umusinche clip arebe mat oh this is wonderful. I see.
Yes.
And koko yagama inspector hat for example da tukora kare guidance and counseling abaziri beto muri Katerera ko mu byaro bari kubi nibetaga enough career guidance and counseling. So it has become a challenge to do with that activity. Have limited resources. Chituretire obutabasa kwika ahari buri village kwasa kwengeje go mutu waburijo. And it is one of our core objective for mutasakora even we have an activity plan it eri kutugaidinga kutamburira.
Yes.
But have limited resources. Chali tukakize ahitukona bya
mukwenda kugira ngo mutankiraho hati
tukabensa kugira ngo all education stakeholders zo muri Rubirizi district abase kuzo no board kandi base kutusupporting like ntanda kusima office ya district stakeholders nkakao wa Rubirizi chairman wa C5 office ya education district.
Yes.
They know about Katerera County Education Forum.
Mbwenu ni bachiterera mukandi.
Bachiterera munonga and they appreciating. Sata cyo banombuza ntete kujanga tufunenge bitongore NGOs. We partner with them to fund donations. Then
yes. Okay. Hati nagaruko wa inspector wa mashomero turebaga omuriye biro dropouts ni nyingi ningashi abana bari ku rugo mu mashomero eji forum yanyu hino ko kugamba hari cyo kintu ningashi kugira ngo base kubane ekikwataho cyo kugira ngo abana bari ku rugo mu mashomero ha rate mpango akwatwaza kureba ko muri Rubirizi no shanga abana batashomire barmu batiya kandi mwine mwejo forum hino ko riyo ne yamba aha kintu cha dropouts.
Yeah, in fact kimwe bizo bituri ku facing mu education nangwa turi Rubirizi yonka.
Yes.
Tuinekizibu cha completion rate. Abana bari kutandika tubari kuheza. Abwa some factors yuko banza na domestic violence. Ushanga ngo kuriya tuinekiba kweta emotional violence. Omuzire kwa kugumirwa yatongana n'umushija we hargamo cyo kweta sexual violence. Ushanga batakeka
hati mwenu omuriyebe bikwiha abana mu mashomere kiruho violence eri higuru iyo mumaka
hati kiza kiridinga into financial violence. Hata kasente kabura ibyo kukosa umwana w'ishomero utakwe bitunga hato shanga umwana yargama. Icya kabiri kiri school related problems factors no saka nk'ishomero there is what you call corporal punishments abana mbabatera
ushaka yayiriko mu ishomero
umwana yoshaka kutokwenda kumurikiza
amashomero nabutano bakitera kahura government kayayisizo w'ikitise cyo kugira ngo batakatera abana
whatever there is what you call system policy.
Yes.
Teenage education policy. Government kwero kukorebera gire byayo eva kweta on fundamental policies. Izo nzibanzo rwo mu constitution. For mu constitution tamwe kweta on major policies. Major policies nizo za Ministry of Education and Sports. Then for major policies we come to functional policies, so as at the school level. Tushemiye kuba tukora functional policies twaza gukora tuta hati nk'icyo kurebera Katerera education forum itutandikira functional policies zito nicyo kurebera tandikira forum ntijya gushomesa abantu tubashomesa ubugabe bw'abana kurango ba implement ya government policy
mu kubashomesa ubugabe bw'abana bashomesa neki kugira ngo abana bashoma nk'abazire bari yoko abatarashomere kugira ngo oburunjo buryo mu kushoma hakubecho nchiyamba ho kushangwa muzire yamanyo burunjo abazire bamwe bakumanyo burunjo byo mu kushoma nibareba ndo kushoma bino kushomesa abana tibakamanya umwana wa mushomesa ni burungi cyo bukuza kurugamo eji forum yanyu neyeje sahaburunjo buryo mu kushoma
exactly because it to a child has a right to continuous and uninterrupted learning umwana watandika ashemeye kuheza atateganisiwe tashemeye kubingwa yishemero ngiti yashashira school fees because tuwa school fees
tuwa school fees no muzi
kandi kintu tugaraka to making sure ngo tuwakora whatever to in implementing agents.
Yes.
We have local authorities, chairman LC1, religious leaders na nabantu bona twenda tubarete on board bamanye the position of a child in today's education. Abo kubana ureba itutaba tutine bana bato twaba tutine bana bato twiza kugira abantu bakuru so echo kugira ngo umwana n'umwembezo wanchakarecho tutwakikozesa umwana n'umwembezo weri izoba wanchakare kandi webero byone so umwana ashemiye kutunga cyashemiye kutunga umbukuru bwe socially emotionally physically academically politically
aine right
age kumanya ngo nayevombero mu webembezo kwishomero ri akakura akarga mu mwebembezo kiri nomanya abantu bingi tukosa what you call holistic approach. We educated the head, we educated the heart, we educated the hands and the house. In this case the head, this is cognitive, this is academic. Then the heart, this is the attitude, the way of thinking. Then the hands, by the time psychomotor, these are skills. Then the house, this is what you call the community, where the child comes from.
Hasi twagaruka haja muramwa gwito gwerizoba ogoro kugira ngo bwegese nubuyambaho aha nkurakurana yo mwanya iwe kiwe norebo tanti ebyo bwegese buyambere biteya umururubirizi district.
Echo kubanza there is what you call economic development.
Yes.
Economic development means increased productivity and innovation. Abantu kuba kutunga skills, batunga knowledge, batunga competencies, batandika gukora income yabo iyonja ni economic growth gereta. So mu rubirizi ndanga abantu yamba korana cause at least bine skills abamwe yamba tandika factories abandi binamaro nabo cyo bayono bakorana. Then cha kabiri is what you call entrepreneurship and job creation. We have so many entrepreneurs on Katerera na rubiriza zehoro
baba innovative.
For example, we have Changabi no Juhuru. Aba bana bakashoma batunga Changabi bakora hotel ejo ne employing abantu. Very many hotels zo mu rubirizi zitandikireyo. We also have technological advancement.
Changabi ni Juhuru no mwanya murunjo mu rubirizi.
Abantu nabazayo bari sente namwe nintekateka
ka weekend eji ngo muntu narabayo. Mwaza kunjenda na tugendere
cyane cyo basika.
Ndebe Changabi engereye yari kuretera abantu bari
then twine technological advancement. Abana basekupine digital skills na operating programs bine za computer na nebituriyo turebe ebituriyo tukora bo babiconnecting bayomba
Katerera abantu nibamanya ko sa
computer tinabashira nkababone smasi media films tuyine Rabana Katawazi tuyine Joakim
hati tubire twineho Minister wa Education and Sports Mama Janet Kataha Museveni omulimbara aho yagambire ahankozesa ya AI ningashi artificial intelligence imwe omurubirizi district mu byo bwegese kuba akagamba tamatendekero gahiguru gine kutandika kukozesa encourage ya artificial intelligence ni mu kigamba ho kinu mureba nti artificial intelligence ejo nebasa kuyambaho abantu omurubirizi
in fact iterubirizi no kutandika twagitandikire because there is this program bakweta ngo ICT integration bintu byona biturukora we are applying digital skills so ni ndeba ngo iterubirizi cyo kureberaho there is what you call social development
mbwenu na mwani mushomesa abantu nko mufaramu yanyu Katerera County Education Forum na AI ni mugikozesa nkebikozese bimwine muza computers amasimu kugira ngo abantu mubagambere nteke nikikora kitiye
in fact in a department ejo ne kurwaje wakimo kutuko batuyine mukoro yitu ndo batuyine za projector no bakubana abikora na abikwata na bishohoza na bipostinga so even tuba turi connected national wide
mweni mwe AI mwatangiye kugikozesa
nitetora hari
yes so nani nyenda kumanya tukugenda hakuba ni ndebesha hati munywani witu konka CEO nani nyenda kugambira abantu akana kabuza kunkwenda kumanya mu myaka 5 Katerera County Education Forum nogireba nkahe myaka 5 mu misho
webare Katerera County Education Forum mu myaka 5 nineba ngo twaguma turi strategic twaguma turi objective and of which as the CEO I emphasize it we must tineguma turi objective twaguma kufitira tukora especially turonto Eby'Obwegyese akabatanda kugira ngo hati umwana okuza kwishikara mu academic natandikira hasi so ndakugira ngo within 5 years tube twagire even 5 years I think next year because echechi kanchireteho some schools pledged kugira ngo next year hati no mama shimbuka kubana bakorese tests every term kajya ngo ngatereze tests 2 every term from primary 1 up to P7 but tereze that test tugikore jointly so chamaisa omyaka 5 eyiwambuza in line with academics we shall have reached very far
nemuza kwa muri harumbisho so hati nagamba nkarurengo gwihanga Katerera County Education Forum no tokugenda harurengo gwihanga ekarugo muri Katerera ekagenda nango kagishanga ntati ya ejo muri urembe rwambara eriyo ne yambo muri ntungamo ejo muri kabare eco cyo mu myaka 5 tokakireba mu misho
we barabukibesherungi for example kutwantwija hanuya twabanza bushenyi Targa bushenyi twakaza kabgohe turumbarara right now tujya tayari so in Education Forum we are not seated because tukabaza Katerera County Radio Listeners Club but today we are Katerera County Education Forum so chiwambuza we have that plan kujangu we have to keep on registering the organization upgrading it kana dream yitu no kugira ngo tukobwire nko mu education day oshangi we have the capacity to bring the minister with education kuno tumurishuti yarubirizi kubasa celebrating nawe Eby'Obwegyese echo nchikorwa baha abembizi bitu kubasa kutuyamba kutuconnectinga yes so njamaisa ko kuba okozire that achievement ngasinka chitungo cyacu gikozire hati let's say to let minister on board hati nasabujana at now if you have brought him on board na wasako kubaza ezanka every year masako eleze nkubwadika mukaga wasako yambo mukuraninga so Katerera County Education Forum tuturagumaha so abari mbatureba tukuja muzako they say that always think beyond your nose so we must think critically and even beyond our nose
tutakasibwire omwami Sam nani nkushabanto gambire abantu abari kutureba ezeshaha imwe nka forum nibici ebimwino mu nkora ningashi ebimuri kuza kutaho ebiri kuza kuyamba omuzire ariyo muri rubirizi ningo muri Katerera ezeshaho uri kureba ari kugira ati hata ababone baza kutukorera ki ninga niki ekiba kuza kongeraho Eby'Obwegyese muri rubirizi
itenka forum twetekatekere kukore kiba kweta collective responsibility korango twareta buri yomwe omuzire omushomesa omutaka politician kuranga twena twakwatanisa hamwe twayegita twatunga amani gaturetera obusinge baturetera entunguuka omuri Katerera kandi eri kwija kugumaho ebiro byona kandi ekayamba abana bitu ekayamba n'abantu abari aheru ya Katerera tukeshanga twagishwa kweta wider
outreach. Yes. Mbwenu abantu ba Katerera bamanye nti forum ejeriho kuyamba omuntu timworo timugiga buri omwe wena.
Yes.
Ahari ekintu kimwagambaho kya basaries wagira ngo omuntu yanayenda basare ejo nabakirra nkahe ningashi offices zanyu ziringayo.
Okay, webare ekibamboza ni kya contacts kuranga mutasa kutufunata wawamburiza kugira ngo okwenda kutusupportinga like nka NGOs like yes
contacts omuntu nabafunata kugira ngo yabafuna ningashi timwine offices ahumuri
we have Katerera I mean nkashitongore kani ka CEO.
Yes.
Head department shitongora hari number zake.
Okay.
Which is Airtel 070 511 8762.
Ejon Airtel.
Airtel ya WhatsApp 070 511 8762. Then MTN it is 077 127 5422.
Offices zanyu ziringahi?
Office zitu ziri Katerera opposite All Saints Church.
Opposite All Saints Church.
Not kwerebizo.
So orikwenda kubashikira offices zanyu na ijo muri Katerera opposite All Saints Church.
Yes, then twine email address inabakira office yo kukolesa. It is katereracounty.educationforum@gmail.com. Even on Twitter, on Facebook utkoresa Katerera County Education Forum.
Nani nkushaba inspector sibura habantu abari kuturebeze shaha om program yitigaba gomwe o sibure kandi n'abantu ba Katerera.
Bantu abakutwize n'abariyo batureba muri Katerera mwe bari kuturiza no kutureba kandi market bashabe ngo tukore hamwe nyenda kora musi amushanje Charles executive director Katerera Comprehensive High School nyenda kora musi department ya Rwezi district bureau wa Steven Dio cyo mu gishamere DIS n'aba inspectors mwena abazire bitu ba Katerera abashomesa na nabeje na politicians okupatira hamwe nimbende zo kusiba kurungi kandi muhagire Katerera Education Forum abo burungi bwa Katerera County.
CEO sibura abantu.
Okay, wabare for the chance nyenda kuramsyaho abeje bekushoma nabo Uganda Technical College Bishagikire haya kandi na administration we principal wito mukundwa byagwere Sam. Then swanya kora abantu ba Katerera Rwezi district nitubasima kandi ntubakunda mwena in general buri muntu wena twamwakora Ronald kandi mwongere kuhagira Tayari West. It is the best TV.
Wabare munonga kandi CEO mwamwehorera abantu bo bagenyi bitu abo twatino mu studios ndakurizo mwami Sabite Sam na namushemeza Genius kandi niko basyo kubaraba umushonga zo by'Eby'Obwegyese ninga shifura muyave ya Katerera County Education Forum nebintu byeri kuza kukorera abantu ba Katerera ninga shirubirize district kandi twisha twarebana bimwe bizibe bakufuna kandi no kuba kuza kubitwara umisho wabare kugumori nitwe urwo butwatandika ahari shayishatu kandi kuhika ahari shayi no butwaza kuhendera program yitu yariyo mushyiwi wanyu Shiba Attire kandi utakaye bwanti Arizoba University Inter University Expo hano yo muri kamukuze tuza kuba tubine live Tayari West ne kuberiyo utakarga Tayari West kandi takakwata remote yawe twineyo na no taramo ahasande urukuza kuba ruro omurigongo kandi omisha tuza kwijana program nyinje nyamwinje twantukushaba otakarga hari Tayari West ntukunda munonga iwo murebi wa Tayari uri kuboruho kandi uri kuje kumiraho ntukusima munonga basyo nikwe twahika ahashaha yite yo kugira ngo tusibure kandi nimbendeza izoba ronje.